So I did another video where I shared that I didn't like this as an actual wrap, the Egglife egg white wraps, because they taste like egg whites. They taste plain. I didn't like the flavor. I didn't like the texture for a wrap, so it wasn't for me. But I've also been seeing on Facebook this recipe where you use the egg wraps and you like thin them out even more, cut them, slice them up with like a pizza cutter and make pasta. So I'm going to give that a try today to see if this redeems these wraps just a bit for me. So I smoothed them out a little bit. They're pretty thin. I saw that these are 5 grams of protein per wrap and 0 carbs, so that's great. I'm also going to add some of this sliced original sausage, and I'm going to use it with my Bertolli Alfredo to see if it's delicious. I hope so, because I've been craving pasta, so this might be a good meal for today. Some people say that they boil it afterwards for 10 minutes. Some people say they boil it for a minute. Other people say they just toss it in the sauce. So honestly, I don't know, but I'm hungry enough that I don't really want to wait, and I don't really want to test it out too much. I know that it's going to be edible if I just toss it in the sauce and let it cook for a minute or two. So I'm going to try that. So here I sliced it up pretty thin, almost like Alfredo-y. So first I'm just browning the sausage, and I will add the sauce and the pasta. So I added the Alfredo I had left, but I also decided to add some marinara because I tried the combination a little before, and I actually liked it, so why not? That doesn't have a lot of carbs either because I do buy this one, so it doesn't have any added sugar. And so, I don't know. I like it. Let's see how this all tastes because I'm like really hungry. And even if it looks weird, guys, you know what? That's not what I'm about. I don't care what it looks like. I just want to have good, yummy food. Makes me think of that, like orangey sauce that there's out there. I can't even remember the name, but it kind of reminds me of that. So maybe that's a mixture of something like that. So I don't know. Either way, it smells really yummy. So let's see. I'm gonna coat them. Hopefully I have enough sauce in there to coat them and warm them up in that sauce. I'll let you know at the end. Okay, so I added a little bit of green onion. Maybe I should have boiled it. I haven't tried it yet, but let's see. Okay, that's pretty good. Because there's no actual flavor to the wrap, really, it's more of a texture thing. And that texture reminds me of pasta. Yeah, not too bad. Maybe the boiled water would make it feel a little bit more starchy and less chewy like an omelet egg. But it's not too bad. Like, you really can't tell. I honestly, I would eat this again for sure. I don't want to buy these all the time because Egglife is expensive. But this is great. Recommend this one. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Have you tried using Egglife as a pasta before? Will you try it now? Please don't forget to subscribe.